I am Brad Bisnette from Cole Publishing here with my friend Mo from HotJet USA. Mo, we're standing in front of your brand new Vac N Jet. Tell me a little bit about what you have going on here.
Well, it's a new model. Want to go over how this unit's different and what value it can offer to your facility, property management, city. The first part is we put our HotJet 2, which we now have close to 5,000 in service throughout the world. And this unit's upgraded with the Kubota engine. It's a 29 horsepower Kubota engine, and it features a German high output pump. So this unit, this whole trailer system's able to jet and vac. It's a true jet and vac unit. So this unit, you've got the flexibility to jet lines easily up to 12-inch, as well as power wash and vacuum up. Where we're different is we've separated the two power components. You've got the jetting in the front, and then you've got the vacuum separated, so it's really a versatile unit. We have a full hydraulic drive for both the hatch, the lift, as well as the hose reels. This is our vacuum. It features a 5LR Gardner Denver vacuum. It has a fair amount of air movement, 650, and really close to 18 inches of mercury, so it can really lift the heavy items like rocks. It literally has that power. Going over the vacuum side, we've got a full cyclone catch filter. We run full 5-inch up to the tank, which is nice. It has the hydraulic lift. You can see where you have great access up in here. I like keeping the units open. That's kind of our style. You can pull panels and get right at everything. If somebody tells you something won't need service, they're fibbing. You're going to need service. You're going to need to service the pump and engine. This way you can get right at everything.
So it's incredible versatility and accessibility for service here, like everything HotJet has to offer. I'd imagine you guys, things are customizable as well. Talk to me about custom options.
Yeah, so this unit, we have for CAL certification, we have the air unit, the air mover, the vacuum side with a CAL certified engine, and we could do a CAL certified gas engine on the front. So that's nice. You can change the power unit on the front. You can go as high as 40 GPM, 2,000 PSI if you want a monster flusher. So you have those type of options with this unit. So this unit features a full hydraulically lifting hatch. You can put a directional light on the back here. You have the full rear lighting as well. So this whole cabinet will open and close for dumping. We also have an exclusive rinse out. You fire up the HotJet, and it has the rinse out capability to flush out versus vibration or these baffle systems they put in there. This way it's super reliable.
Mo, I know this unit is sold in Montgomery Township. Where can somebody go for more information?
Just look us up online at HotJetUSA.com or give us a call on the 1-800 number. We're always happy to help, and we'll try to work within your budget. That's one thing I will point out. This is budget friendly. We're a small business. We're happy to help. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks, Mo.